In this video, we will see demo of a mobile app concept to simplify content creation process on a Drupal site. So when a person wants to post on a Facebook page, assuming this is a Facebook page, like an image or a video or an event with date and location. So they do it all through a single and simple form here. Based on the same Facebook model, this mobile app can be used to post any type of content on any Drupal site. Here is a small prototype of the app. So when the user first launches the application, he will be prompted to enter the Drupal site URL and the username and password of the user who has access to add content on the site. And after the user clicks on add, he will be taken to a form which has these fields to add the content like title, text, image or video, date, location, price if it's a product, or comma separated tags, and save it. So any type of content, they can do it through this single form. And for example, if it was a blogger site and the blogger wants to create a post on in contributor spotlight, so the user would put the title, some description, and tag it with contributor spotlight. And if the user wants to create a post in other Drupal core diaries, so they would put a title, some text, maybe an image, and tag it with the Drupal core diaries tag. And the site will be configured so that it will pull the information based on the tags and put it in the respective pages. If it was a pizza shop site, so if the user wants to add a location, they would put the title, some text, and the location address, some image of the shop at that location, and tag it with the word location and save it. And the site knows that if it's tagged with location, it has to show up in the page which is tagged with the same term location. So instead of location, if the pizza administrator wants to add a menu item, so they would put the title, some text, image of the item, and some price to it if they want the commerce part to it, and tag it with the word menu. So the Drupal site knows to pull that menu item and show up in the page which is tagged with the same term menu. Similarly, if it's a product or something like that, it has a barcode and QR code. The user need not fill all this information. He would just click on the scan button and it will use the module like scanned it to search the database for the barcode and pulls the information and shows the information by default, like the title of the product here, this one, some image, and the price of the product. All this information, it will, the scanned will be, can be used to pull that information from the database and populate this form. So the user can easily add products to the product catalog on the website using this simple mobile app. Scan it, make some modifications if necessary, and save it. And the user can click on the content to go to a screen where it lists the content, like searches for the content, or then here it can be like an image of the content, some title and some teaser text with an edit button so the user can edit the content and stuff. Similarly for the comments, and we can add push notifications, so when someone adds a comment or replies to a comment on the website, it would notify the user on the app, and the user will be able to reply to the comment or modify and do all Drupal stuff over there. Thanks for watching, and let me know how you like the concept of this mobile app.